Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you fix Instagram Reels stuck at 0 views. So if you have this issue where your views are stuck at 0 views with no views, so what you can do, like first rule of troubleshooting is that first go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and see if there's any update for your Instagram app. So just guess the first rule of thumb that we can always do, because most of the time an update will fix it. So search for Instagram and see if there's an update. If there's an update, what you have to do is click on it and then update your application. So this sometimes fix the issue. So let's try that. So once that's done, so if that doesn't fix the issue, then next open your app. So go to your profile. So on your profile, then choose the reel that you're having issue with, and then what you can do here is click on the three dots here and then click on manage, and then try to click on edit, and then try to add in more hashtags. So see if there's more. If you don't have hashtags, try to add in hashtags and see if that fixes up your views issue, and see if that works. If that doesn't work, then finally what we can do, one last rule, is that we can contact the center. So for example, go to your profile, click on your top right, the hamburger icon, go to your settings, all right, and then click on help, all right, and then click on the report a problem, and then click on report a problem. So here click on the include and continue option, and then here just explain to them that your reels are constantly stuck at 0 views, please fix it, and then you can include a screenshot if you want, and then just hit send, and you should get a response or an action within a few days. And then once then after that, try to repost or post some other reels and see if that fixed the issue, and hopefully it should work. So I hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.